Hi, hello, welcome back to Homeschool. Today we are going to discuss the part 2 of your KSEAB board mathematics question paper key. And in your first part I have completed up to 3 mains, and in this part I am going to continue fourth main. Fourth main, answer the following questions. You will be having 9 questions, each carries 3 marks. 9 3s are 27. 25th problem. Divide P of x is equal to 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5 by g of x is equal to x square plus 2x plus 1, and find the quotient of x and remainder of x. So let us divide the polynomials. See the order first. 3 2 1 0. Here also 2 1 0. Yes, all the powers are in an order. Let us divide the polynomials. 3x cube by x square, it will be 3x. If you divide, you are going to left with 3x. With 3x multiply, 3x into x square is 3x cube plus 3x into 2x, it will be 6x square plus 1 into 3x will be 3x. Subtract, change sign, cancel. X square minus 6x square, it will be minus 5x square. 2x minus 3x will be minus 5. Bring this down, plus 5. Again, the first term divide with the first term here. Minus 5x square by x square, it will be minus 5. So with minus 5 multiply again. Minus 5x square plus into minus, minus 5 2s are 10x, minus into plus, minus 5. Again, both are having same sign, so subtract and change sign. Cancel. Minus 1 plus 10, it will be 9x, plus 5 it will be plus 10. That's it. Therefore, what is your quotient of x? It will be 3x minus 5, and remainder of x is 9x plus 10. So temporary, I'll write all the answers aside. So quotient is q of x is equal to 3x minus 5 and r of x is equal to 9x plus 10. And in this you have one more OR problem. Find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial. P of x is equal to x square plus 7x plus 10. Find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial and verify the relationship between zeros and the coefficients. Okay, first let us find the zeros. 10 into 1, it will be 10. Find the factors in order to get 7. 5 2s are 10 plus 7 plus 5 plus 2. X square plus 5x plus 2x plus 10. Take out common. X take out common. X into x plus 5 plus 2 into x plus 5. Among these two, x plus 5 is common. Now equate with 0 to get zeros. That is, x is equal to minus 5 and x is equal to minus 2. Let the zeros be alpha and beta. Alpha minus 5, beta minus 2. Therefore, the two zeros of the given polynomial are alpha is equal to minus 5, beta is equal to minus 2. Now, we need to verify the relationship between zeros and coefficient. So, what is the sum of the zeros? Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. And product of the zeros, alpha beta is equal to c by a. Alpha minus 5 plus beta minus 2 is equal to ba. Compare the standard form of the polynomial with this equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c. Write a value. A value is 1, b value is 7, c value is 10. Substitute. Minus 7 by 1. Minus 5 minus 2 is equal to minus 7. So it is verified. Product of the zeros, minus 5 into minus 2 is equal to, c value is 10. A value 1. Minus 5 into minus 2. Minus into minus plus. 5 2s are 10. Yes, it is verified. Both are equal. Right? 26th problem. Prove that square root of 1 plus cos A by 1 minus cos A is equal to cosecant A plus cot A. We need to prove this. Consider LHS. 1 plus cos A. Consider LHS. 1 plus cos A by 1 minus cos A. For this, multiply numerator and denominator by the conjugate of the denominator, that is 1 plus cos A by 1 plus cos A. 1 minus cos A, it is 1 plus cos A. Divide numerator and denominator, then that will be square root of, multiply these two, it will be 1 plus cos A whole square whole divided by, you can see here 1 minus cos A, 1 plus cos A, it is in the form of A minus B into A plus B. That is nothing but A square, 1 square is 1 minus cos square A. And next step again 1 plus cos A whole square by, according to the identity, 1 minus cos square A is sin square A. Next, I will take like this. 1 plus cos A by sin A whole square. Square and root will be cancelled. 1 plus cos A by sin A. Split the denominator. 1 by sin A plus cos A by sin A. That is nothing but 1 by sin A is cosec A plus cos A by sin A is cot A. That is none other than RHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, it is proved. In this, you have one more OR question. What is that? Prove that sin A by 1 plus cos A plus 1 plus cos A by sin A is equal to 2 cosec A. Right? So again consider LHS and just directly I am doing LCM here. Do the LCM for LHS. Sin A into 1 plus cos A. And here numerator multiply sin A. Sin A into sin A is sin square A. And here again sin A there, 1 plus cos A multiply for the numerator. That will be 1 plus cos A whole square. Then apply formula. A plus B whole square, A square plus B square plus 2AB, 2 into 1 into cos A, it will be 2 cos A by sin A into 1 plus cos A. Right, again you can remember an identity, sin square A plus cos square A will be 1, 1 plus 1 plus 2 cos A by sin A into 1 plus cos A. 1 plus 1 it will be 2, 2 plus 2 cos A by sin A into 1 plus cos A. Now in the numerator you can take out 2 common. 1 plus cos A by sin A into 1 plus cos A. 1 plus cos A, 1 plus cos A cancel. 2 by sin A is nothing but 2 cosecant A. Therefore, that is your RHS. Hence, it is proved. Okay. So, let me write here only proof or proof. There are 2 trigonometric proofs given for you. 27th problem. Find the mean of the following data. Class interval frequency given 1 to 5, 4. 6 to 10, 3, 11 to 15, 2, 16 to 20, 1, 21 to 25, 5. Observe here, class interval is not continuous. So what we need to do? We need to make them continuous. Observe the difference, 5 and 6 difference is 1. So reduce 0.5 for the lower limit and add 0.5 for the upper limit. right? Like this, you change first. This will be 5.5, 10.5, and this is 10.5. This will be 15.5. Then this will be 15.5, 20.5. This will be again 20.5, 25.5. Right? Immediately change the class interval, then start finding mean. Now Fi there. In order to find mean, we need one more column, that is class mark score. How do we get? Lower limit plus upper limit by 2. That is 0.5 plus 5.5, it will be 6. 6 by 2, 3. Same manner, 5.5 plus 10.5 will be 16. 16 by 2, 8. 10.5 plus 15.5, it will be 26. 26 by 2, it will be 13. And in the same manner, 20.5 plus 15.5, it will be 36. 36 by 2, 18. 20.5 plus 25.5, it will be 46. 46 by 2, it will be 23. And one more column, make it another column, Fi, Xi. Because mean, what is the formula? Mean x bar is equal to summation Fi Xi by summation Fi. By direct method, I am finding the mean now. So you need another row, summation Fi Xi you need here. Okay, how do we get Fi Xi? Multiply. 4 3s are 12. Then again 8 3s are 24. 13 2s are 26. 18 1s are 18. 23 5s are 115. Now add all this. 25. 3 4 6 8 9 195. Now this will be 195 by summation Fi 7 9 10 15. Substitute here. Now 15 1s are 15. 45 left. 15 3s are 45. Therefore, what is your mean value? Mean value is 13. 27th answer for mean is 13. And in this you have one more OR question, that is find the mode of the following data. Class interval given 1 to 3, 3 to 5, 5 to 7, 7 to 9, 9 to 11, and your frequency 6, 9, 15, 9, 1. Right? Observe the mode table. How to calculate mode? First, identify the model class. In frequency, what is the highest frequency? 15, right? This is your model class. Mark this F0, F1, F2, and this is your lower limit. H is a class size. That is 7 minus 5. H is equal to 2. Right? Now, what is your mode formula? Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. L value is, what is the L value? 5 plus F1 15 minus F0 9. 2F1 2 into 15 30 minus 9 minus F2 9 into H class size is 2. 5 plus 15 minus 9, it will be 6. Minus 9 minus 9 minus 18. 30 minus 18 will be 12 into 2. Right? So 6 2s are 12, 2 1s are. That is 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Therefore, what is the mode value? Mode is equal to 6. 28th problem. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points A minus 6, 10, B 3, minus 8 is divided by the point minus 4, 6. We need to calculate the ratio. That is M1 is to M2. Observe the coordinates and mark them x1, y1, x2, y2 and the point x, y. Write the section formula. P of x, y is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Substitute, we don't know m1 m2, as it is you take m1 into x2 value is 3, m2 into x1 value is minus 6 by m1 plus m2, comma m1 y2 minus 8 plus m2 y1 is 10 by m1 plus m2. And the point of division p of x comma y is minus 4 comma 6. Now you can equate these two or these two. So let me equate first pair. Minus 4 is equal to 3m1 minus 6m2 by m1 plus m2. Any pair you can take, children. Now cross multiply. Minus 4m1 minus 4m2. Minus into plus it will become minus. Right? 3m1 minus 6m2. Now bring this m1 term this side and send m2 term other side. Minus 4m1 minus 3m1 is equal to minus 6m2 plus 4m2. Minus 4 minus 3 will be minus 7m1 and here minus 6 plus 4 will be minus 2m2. Minus minus cancel. m1, bring this m2 other side, m1 by m2 is equal to 2 by 7. Therefore, what is the ratio? m1 is to m2 is equal to 2 is to 7. In this, you have one more OR question. Find the area of a triangle whose vertices are A 1 comma minus 1, B minus 4 comma 6 and C minus 3 comma minus 5. So directly we go with the formula. Area of triangle ABC is equal to, what is the formula? Half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Right? Now substitute this half into x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Right? x1 1 into y2 6 minus y3 value is minus 5, put it in bracket, plus x2 minus 4 into y3 minus 5 minus of minus 1 plus x3 value is minus 3 into y1 minus 1 minus y2 minus 6. Half of 1 into 6 minus into minus plus 6 plus 5 will be 11 plus into minus minus 4 into minus 5 minus and minus plus, so minus 5 plus 1 will be minus 4 minus 3 into minus 7, half of 1 into 11 is 11 minus into minus plus 4 4s are 16 minus into minus plus 7 3s are 21. And now add all this, it will be 48 by 2. Cancel 24. 24 square units is the area. Therefore, here your answers are 2 by 7. Or question, what is the answer? 24 square units. Coming to your next question, 29. Prove that the length of tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. This is the direct theorem from your circles chapter. 30th problem. In the given figure, O is the center of a circle. OAB is an equilateral triangle. P and Q are the midpoints of OA and OB respectively. If the area of triangle OAB is 36 root 3 centimeter square, then find the area of the shaded region. Observe where the region is shaded. you can say a major sector. So if you want area of this, what is major sector formula? Theta by 360 into pi r square. So do you know radius? Don't know. Do you know theta value? No. But what given here, this triangle is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle, we know all angles are equal. That is, sum of all angles will be 180. Each angle will be 60 degree. 60, 60, 60. So theta value here, this is 60 degree. Then what about this angle, children? We need this area, right? 360 minus 60, it will be 300 degree. So that theta value we got. Now what about the radius? We don't know radius. Now we know that this given triangle is an equilateral triangle. So area of equilateral triangle formula is root 3 by 4 side square. Let me assume side as A. All sides are equal, right? So is equal to given area of equilateral triangle is 36 root 3. Now cancel root 3. A square is equal to 36 into 4, that will be 144. A square 144, A is equal to 12 centimeters. Now we got the side of an equilateral triangle. How much? 12 centimeters. In order to find radius, P and Q are the midpoints of the sides. So half of 12, it will be 6 centimeters. That is your radius. So we know radius is equal to 6 centimeter and your angle theta is equal to 300 degree. Apply the formula. Area of shaded region is equal to theta by 360 degree into pi r square. Substitute theta value is 300 by 360 into pi value 22 by 7 and your radius is 6 into 6. 0, 0 cancel. 3 tens are 3 12s are. Then again 2 6 are 2 11s are. 1 6, another 6 cancel. And now we are left with 660 by 7. 11 6 are 66, 66 10s are 660 by 7. Cancel 7 9s are 63, 30 left. 7 4s are 28. Again put a point. 2 left. 20. 7 2s are 14. Again 6 left. So on it will be continued. So let me stop here. 94.2 centimeter square is the area of the shaded region. 31st problem. Construct a triangle with sides 5 cm, 6 cm and 8 cm. So let me do roughly without any construction tools. Okay, let this be 8 cm and here 5 cm an arc, 6 cm another arc. Join, right? This is 5 cm, this is 6 cm. Roughly I am showing the construction A, B, C, and we need to draw another triangle whose sides are in the ratio 3:4. How to do this when 3:4? Immediately I can say it is a proper fraction and your new triangle will be inside the original triangle, right? How can we do? Draw a ray which is acute. Numerator and denominator, observe which is greater. Denominator, that is with what? 4. Draw 4 arcs. Mark them A1, A2, A3, A4 and with 4th arc join. And then again from 4th arc you just draw an arc. Numerator what you have? 3. Again here draw an arc. Go back, measure, cut, join. Again here another arc. Go back, measure, cut, join. So this is C dash, this is B dash. Therefore triangle ABC is similar to triangle AB dash, C dash. That's it. 32nd problem. The distance between two cities A and B is 132 kilometers. Given distance of the two cities is 132 kilometers. Flyovers are built to avoid the traffic in the intermediate towns between these two cities. Because of this, the average speed of a car traveling in this route through flyovers increased by 11 kilometers per hour. First, what is the average speed here? Average speed increases told. So let the average speed be x. Increased speed is equal to how much increases? By 11 kilometers. That means x plus 11 kilometers per hour. And hence the car takes 1 hour less time. What is the time difference given here? 1 hour. So time is equal to distance by speed ratio. What is the distance? 132 kilometers. Here also take 132. First average speed x and increased speed it will be x plus 11. What is the difference? 1 hour. So take here minus. Travel the same distance than earlier. Find the current average speed of the car. What is the current average speed of the car? So solve these ratios, you are going to get the answer. If you are able to find x, that is your answer. Do LCM. X into x plus 11. Numerator. Here you have x, multiply x plus 11. 132 into x plus 11 minus 132 x plus 11 there in the denominator, multiply x here, 132x is equal to 1. Now remove bracket, 132x plus 132 11s, that will be 1452 minus 132x is equal to, cross multiply, x square plus 11x. Minus 132x plus 132x cancel. X square plus 11x minus 1452 equal to 0. Send this number other side, right? And at a time you bring full equation this side. Now find the factors for this. Minus 1452. What are the factors? If we do LCM, you are going to get 33 44s 1452. But you should get, if you multiply, you should get minus, and if you do addition or subtraction, you should get here plus sign. Plus 11. So how can I get here plus 11? 44 minus 33 will be plus 11. Then if you multiply, you will get minus 1452. X square minus 33x plus 44x minus 1452 equal to 0. Take out x common, x minus 33 plus 44 take out common, x minus 33 equal to 0. X minus 33 into x plus 44. Now x is equal to 33. If you equate to 0, you are going to get x is equal to 33 or x is equal to minus 44. So therefore your x value is 33. X cannot be negative. So neglect 44 and take x value 33. What is this 33? Is it your final answer? No. See, average speed x value is 33 kilometers per hour. Now what is the current speed? Increased speed is the current speed. That is 33 plus 11, that will be 44 kilometers per hour is the current speed. This is your answer. So write here 44 kilometers per hour. 33rd problem. A life insurance agent found the following data for distribution of ages of 100 policy holders. Draw a less than type ogive for the given data. Age in years, number of policy holders, cumulative frequency given. See here directly they have given below 20, below 25, below 30, below 35, below 40, below 45, below 50, and your cumulative frequency also given 2, 6, 24, 45, 78, 89, 100. So use this table and draw ogive in your graph sheet. So your graph sheet will be, your less than type ogive will be in this form you are going to get. Okay, so with this we are going to complete our 4th main. 5th main, answer the following questions. In this you will be having 4 questions, each carries 4 marks. 4 4s are 16 marks total. 34th problem. 34th problem. The sum of second and fourth terms of an arithmetic progression is 54. sum of second and fourth term of an arithmetic progression is 54. A2 plus A4 is equal to 54. And the sum of its first 11 terms, S11 is equal to 693. Find the arithmetic progression. Okay. Which term of this progression is 132 more than its 54th term? So how can we find this? Which term means n, but they have given nth term value, some nth term value given, that is 132 more than 54th term, A54. So if you are able to solve that, you are going to get the n value. So let's take first what is the given data. A2 plus A4 is equal to 54. Write in general form. A plus D plus A4. A plus 3D is equal to 54. This is a verbal problem. You need to attempt with steps, but I am doing in short here. Right? A plus A, 2A. D plus 3D will be 4D is equal to 54. Take out 2 common. A plus 2D is equal to 54. Cancel. 2 2s are 2 7s are. That is A plus 2D is equal to 27. Mark it first equation. And another thing, what do you know? S11 is equal to 693. Write formula, Sn formula. N by 2 into 2A plus 11 minus 1 will be 10. 10D is equal to 693 given. Here also you can take out 2 common. Take out 2 common. A plus 5D is equal to 693. This two cancel. And 11 and 693. 11 will be divided if you send other side. Directly I am cancelling here. 11 6 are 66. 3 left. 33. 11 3s are 33. Finally, A plus 5D is equal to 63. Mark this second equation. Now solve these two equations. A plus 5D is equal to 63 and A plus 2D is equal to 27. Subtract the two equations. Change sign and subtract. A minus A will be cancelled. 5 minus 2D will be 3D. And here it will be 6, 3. 63 minus 27 will be 36. D is equal to 36 by 3. That is 12. D is equal to 12. This D value substitute in any one of the equation. In this I'll substitute D value. A plus 2 into 12 is equal to 27. A is equal to 27 minus 12 2s are 24. A is equal to 3. A3, D12. So first question in this, find the arithmetic progression. So what is the general form of arithmetic progression? A plus D, A plus 2D, so on will be there. Right? Substitute now. 3 plus 12, it will be 15. And again 15 plus 12, 27, so on. This is your required arithmetic progression. And in this you have one more sub question. Which term is 132 more than 54th term? First you find 54th term. A54. You can write here formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Then substitute all these values. A plus 53d, that is a value is 3, 53 into 12. 53 12s calculate here. 53 into 12, that is 636. 3 plus 636. Add 639. A54 is 639. So add those two children. If you want to get AN, 639 plus 132, it will be 11, 7, 7. AN is equal to 771. Using this AN, A value, D value, find N value. We know nth term formula, that is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An value, let me take it as 771 is equal to, a value is 3, n value we don't know, n minus 1 into d value is 12. 771 minus 3 is equal to, remove brackets, 12n minus 12. 771 minus 3 will be 768 minus 12, bring this side, plus 12 is equal to 12n. Add this, 780 is equal to 12n. n is equal to 780 by 12. 12 6 72 and here 60 left. 12 5s are 60. Therefore, n is equal to 65. So, what is your final question? Which term is 132 more than A54? The value is 771. This is 65th term. Okay, understand the problem carefully. Very good question they have given here. So, first solve this. A2 plus A4 is equal to 54. You will get one equation. And S11 if you solve, you will get one equation. Both of the equations simplify to get D and A. If you get D and A, you can find general form of AP. And some other question, that is, which term is 132 more than 54th term. So find A54, then add 132, then that you consider as AN and substitute A and D, you are going to get the N value. N is equal to 65. In this we have one more OR question. The first and the last terms of an arithmetic progression are 3 and 253 respectively. First term is A. A is what? 3. Last term AN is equal to 253. I don't know which term is the last term, so I will assume it as AN. If the 20th term of the progression is 98, A20 is equal to 98, then find the arithmetic progression. Also find, what is arithmetic progression? Also find the sum of the last 10 terms of this progression. Not first 10 terms, sum of the last 10 terms you need to calculate. How can we do this problem? First, let me take A20. In that I will substitute N value and A value, I will get D. After getting D, I just move on to AN, and which term is the last term I will find. If you want L is equal to, also you can write AN, also you can write L, also you can write. So let's start. Given A20 is equal to 98. So what is AN formula? AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. A20 is equal to, A value is 3. 20 minus 1 will be 19 into D, I don't know D. A20 value I know, 98. Bring this 3 this side. Minus 3 is equal to 19D. 98 minus 3 will be 95 is equal to 19D. D is equal to 95 by 19. What is 19 5s are? 95. So this is D is equal to 5. Right? Common difference we got. Now let me take AN is equal to 253. And write the formula again. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN value is 253. A value is 3. I don't know N. N as it is. D value is 5. 253 minus 3 is equal to 5N minus 5. 253 minus 3 will be 250. Bring this minus 5 this side. It will be plus 5. 255 by 5 is equal to N. That is 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. N is equal to 51. So there are how many terms? 51 terms are there in this. Right? Therefore what I can write? Therefore N is equal to 51. Total how many terms are there? 51 terms are there in the given AP. And your question is, find the AP. If you know A and D, can you find AP? Yes. The general form of AP is A plus D, a plus 2d, so on. A value is 3, 3 plus 5, it will be 8, again 8 plus 5, 13, so on. 3, 8, 13, so on is the required AP. Now, another question in this, that is, find the last 10 terms sum. Last 10 terms. Look here, in 51 terms, last 10 terms means what? In 51 subtract 10, 41 you will be getting, right? From 42nd term, if you add up to 51th term, you will get sum of 10 terms, right? So let me find first 42nd term. What is A42? How do you get this 42, children? In 51, subtract 10 terms. That will be 41. I don't want 41 terms. I need from 42. 10 terms means. So find A42. That is A plus 41D. A value is 3. 41 into D value is 5. 3 plus 205, that will be 208. What is A42? 208. Observe here how to understand. A42, A43, so on up to A51 terms I need to sum. Okay. So sum of 10 terms is equal to 10 terms, total n terms means 10, right? 10 by 2 into A plus L. Observe here. Now A I will consider it as the first term is A42. A plus L means A42 plus last term is A51. 10 by 2 into A42 value, what I got? 208, and A51 value, what is the last term value? 253. Add these two. 10 by 2 it will be 5. 5 into, add this, 11, 6, 461. Multiply 5 for this, 5, 2305. Therefore, the sum of the last 10 terms is equal to 2305 is your answer. It is very easy, but you should think a little. So, let me give a recap for this. First term given, last term given, 20th term given, and here find the last 10 terms and arithmetic progression set. So, using A20 is equal to 98, I found D. Then this D value and A value substitute in last term, and you are going to get how many terms are there, that is n is equal to 51. In 51 terms, you know that there are 51 terms, right? Directly you can find arithmetic progression A plus D, A plus 2D. And next problem in this is sum of 10 terms from last. From last means in 51 you subtract 10, that will be 41. 41 terms I don't want sum. From 42nd term I need sum up to last term, that is A51. So if you are able to find A42, that is nothing but the first term in the given sequence. So first term value you find out, that is 208, and last term value already given. Apply in formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus L. Directly you are going to get the answer, right? And yeah, 35th problem. Find the solution of the given pair of linear equations by graphical method. See here, 2x plus y is equal to 8. 2x plus y is equal to 8 and x minus y is equal to 1. Very simple equations given here. Observe the equations a1 by a2, b1 by b2 are not equal. Therefore, the lines are intersecting graphically, right? You know that. And if you solve equations and you get a box and those coordinates, if you plot in graph sheet, your lines will be intersecting graphically. Where they are intersecting, children? So it will be 3, 4, I think. So yeah, x value is 3 and yeah, y value is 4. Right? If you are able to do neatly, this is your answer. Check your answer whether you are done right or wrong. 36th problem, prove that if in two triangles corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio or proportion and hence the two triangles are similar. See, this theorem is very rarely asked in your annual examination. This theorem is none other than angle-angle theorem in triangles. So I hope you all have done this theorem. Last problem in this main, 37th problem. In the given figure, a rope is tightly stretched and tied from the top of a vertical pole to a peg on the same level ground, such that the length of the rope is 20 meter and the angle made by it with the ground is 30 degree. What do you understand here? There is a pole. There is a pole, and top of the pole, see, this is the pole. From top of the pole, a rope is tied to a peg. And the length of the rope is 20 meter. Angle created with the ground is 30 degree. And the next point, a circus artist climbed the rope. A circus artist from here climbs the rope, reaches the top of the pole, and from there he observes. See, from here climbs up 20 meters rope, and from the top of the pole he observes the point C, the angle of elevation of the top of another pole on the same ground. There are two poles, right? So from here he observes the angle, it is 60 degree. If the distance of the foot of the longer pole from the peg is 30 meter, then find the height of this pole. Given longer pole, distance from the peg is 30 meter. Find the height of this pole. Height of this pole means you need to find the height of longer pole, right? This is also a pole, but they asked us to find longer pole. So what we can do, how can we find this? Again, understand, this is a peg and AB and CD are the two poles. A circus artist climbs a rope. A rope is tied to the top of the pole to the peg. Rope length is 20 meter, angle is 30 degree. Circus artist climbs top of the first pole and from there observes the angle of elevation to the C, top of the pole is 60 degree. Find the height of the longer pole, and the longer pole is at a distance to the peg 30 meter. How can I proceed this? So let me take first this right triangle. Consider all the statements, you can continue. First let me consider the right triangle. Poles are perpendicular, right? So observe here, poles are perpendicular, so I can take right angle here. Right triangle OBA. First, what we are going to calculate? Let me find this height first. Then this equate to here, right? Then take this right triangle and again find this one. Here this right triangle you need to find OB also, and in OD subtract OB, you will get BD length. BD is nothing but AE. Now let me start. First find opposite. Opposite for this acute angle. Opposite means which ratio you are going to take? Sine ratio. Your angle theta value is 30 degree. Sine 30 is equal to AB by hypotenuse OA. Sine 30 value is 1 by 2. AB we don't know, as it is you write. OA 20. AB is equal to 20 by 2, that is 10. So what is the height of the first small pole? It is 10 meters. Look here, this is 10 meters and this is also 10 meters. ED is 10 meters. Now next let me find base of this right triangle. Again consider right triangle OBA. This side is adjacent. Adjacent and hypotenuse, what ratio you are going to take? Cos. Cos 30 degree is equal to adjacent OB by OA. Cos 30 value is root 3 by 2. OB we don't know. OB by OA. OA is 20. OB is equal to 20, cross multiply other side, 20 root 3 by 2. That is 10 root 3. 10 root 3 meters. Now what is OB? 10 root 3 meters we got. Right? So find BD. How can I get BD here? Length of BD. BD is equal to OD minus minus OB. OD is 30, OB is 10 root 3. So can I take anything common? First we feel that only 10 is common. But observe here, after taking 10 common, 3 and root 3 will be there. 3 and root 3, anything is common? Yes. 10 root 3 is common. And here it is root 3 minus 1. See, root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3 tens are 30 minus 10 root 3. So it is correct. So what is this? This is the length of BD. This is what? BD. Now take the right triangle. Consider right triangle. What is that? AEC. In order to get CE. We know AE. You can write this is also equal to AE also you can write. Now which ratio you are going to take in order to get opposite side? I know adjacent. So I will take here tan 60 degree is equal to opposite by adjacent. Tan 60 value is root 3. CE, we don't know CE. AE, AE I know it as 10 root 3 into root 3 minus 1. Cross multiply, 10 root 3 into root 3 will be 10 into 3 into root 3 minus 1 is equal to CE. 10 3s are, how do I get 3? Root 3 into root 3 is 3. 10 3s are 30. Therefore, what is CE? 30 into root 3 minus 1 meters. Is the problem completed? No. We need to find length of the longer pole. Length of longer pole. Length of CD is nothing but DE plus CE. I know DE length is 10 meters and CE is 30 into root 3 minus 1. Now remove brackets. 10 plus 30 root 3 minus 30. 30 root 3 minus 10 minus 30 is minus 20. And in your question they have given substitute root 3 is equal to 1.73. Substitute that into 1.73 minus 20. 1.73, write it as 173 by 100. Cancel, 0, 0 cancel. And here multiply 3. 3 3s are 9. 21. 519. 0.9 minus 20. Subtract 20 in this. That is none other than 31.9 meters. This is your final answer. What is the length of the longer pole? 31.9 meters. Sixth main, answer the following question. In this you will be having only one problem that carries 5 marks. Problem number 38. A wooden solid toy is made by mounting a cone on a circular base of a hemisphere as shown in the figure. As shown in the figure. So, okay, you can see the figure. If the area of base of the cone is 38.5 centimeter square and the total height of the toy is 15.5 centimeter, then find the total surface area of the toy and volume of the toy. So what is given here? Observe carefully. It is a wooden solid toy. It is made up of cone and a hemisphere. And given for us area of base of a cone. Cone base. Which shape is cone base? Circular base. So what is given? Area of cone base is equal to how much? 38.5 centimeter square. Area of a cone base is circular shape. What is area of a circle? Pi r square. Pi r square is equal to 38.5. Using this, find the radius of the cone or the hemisphere. Both are same radius. Now, r square, pi value is 22 by 7 into r square. That is 38.5. Now, r square is equal to 38.5 can be written as 385 by 10 into 22 by 7. Send other side. 7 by 22. Now this is 11 2s, 11 3s, 33, 5 left 55, 11 5s. Then again 5 2s, 10, 5 7s, 35. Then it will be 7 7s, 49 by 2 2s, 4. R is equal to square root of 49 by 4. Therefore, R is equal to 7 by 2 centimeters. What is the radius of a circular base, children? It is 7 by 2 centimeter, or you can write it as 3.5 centimeter also you can write. Observe here, hemisphere height is none other than the radius. That is, height of the hemisphere is 3.5 centimeter. Now, cone height. See, in 15.5, you subtract 3.5, it will be 12 centimeter. From here to here, cone height is only 12 centimeter. Why do we need this all? In order to find total surface area of a toy. Total surface area of a toy means, what is the formula? Total surface area of wooden toy is equal to, what all you can see? CSA of cone plus CSA of hemisphere. CSA of cone and CSA of hemisphere we need to add. CSA of a cone formula is pi r L. CSA of hemisphere, it is 2 pi r square. Is there anything common? Pi r I can take out common, because cone radius and hemisphere radius are same. L plus 2r. What about L? Do you know L? I don't know L. So if you are able to find cone height and radius, you can find slant height. L is what? Slant height. What is the formula in order to find L? L is equal to square root of r square plus h square. R square, that is 3.5 whole square, plus h square, 12 square, that is 144. 3.5 whole square, let us calculate. 35, 35s are calculate. 5 5s are 25, 15, 17. 3 5s are 15, 3 3 9, 10. And this will be 1, 2, 2, 5, that is 3.5 into 3.5 means 12.25. Square root of 12.25 plus 144. Add for this 144, what you are going to get? 25.65. 156.25. Let's find square root. 156.25 square root. Put the bar and decimal this side bar. 1 ones are 1. So 1 minus 1 will be 0, and this is 56. Full 56, bring it down. Add 1 plus 1 will be 2. And take the same numbers here. 22 2s are 44. Right, subtract 2, 1. And bring this side down, 25. And again 22 plus 2 will be 24. Same number you should take here and here. Which number? Let me go with 245 5s are. Yes, it is 1225. So this is 0. So what is the square root? This decimal point, put it here. The square root of this is 12.5. And here it is, unit is centimeters. What is the slant height length? 12.5 centimeters. Now let's find TSA. Now let's substitute in this. Pi value is 22 by 7. And R value, either you can take 7 by 2 or 3.5. Anything of your choice. Let me take R 7 by 2. And slant height, L value is 12.5. Let me take 125 by 10 plus 2 into R value is 7 by 2. 2 cancel. 7 7 cancel. 2 11s. And this is 11 into better 125 by 10. Let me write it as 12.5 only. Now this one 12.5 plus 7, it will be 19.5. Now multiply these two. What you are going to get? 195 and 95. 2145 point means 214.5 centimeter square is the total surface area of the wooden toy. Right? In this you have one more sub question. What is that? Find the volume of the toy. Now volume of the toy. Volume is equal to, what are the two solids you can see there? Volume of a cone plus volume of hemisphere. Volume of a cone formula 1 by 3 pi r square h plus, this is height of the cone, okay? And here volume of hemisphere means 2 by 3 pi r cube. Now 1 by 3 pi r square is common, children. If it is common, you can take out common. So what is left here? Height of the cone plus 2r is left inside the bracket. 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into radius, I will write it as 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. Height 12 centimeters plus 2 into 7 by 2. 2 cancel. And here 2 11s are 7 cancel. You are left with 11 7s are 77 by 3 2s are 6. Inside what you have? 12 plus 7, 19. Multiply this. 77 into 19. Let me do rough work here. 77 into 19. That is 1463. What is 77 into 19? It is 1463 by 6. Okay. So let us try to cancel. 6 2s are 12. 2 left 26. 6 4s are 24. Again 2 left 23. 6 3s are 18. So 5 left. So put a decimal point. 50 left. 6 8s are 48. Again 2 left 20. 6 3s are 18. It continues. So you can end up here. That is 243.8. Volume means centimeter cube is the volume of the wooden toy. So therefore your answer is total surface area is 214.5 centimeter square and the volume is 243.8 centimeter cube. Observe the problem again. There is a wooden toy, shaped cone and surmounted on a hemisphere, right? And given area of the circular base of a cone is how much? 38.5 centimeter square. Using this area, cone area means that is area of a circle. Cone base means circle. Area of a circle pi r square 38.5. You are going to get the radius. So after getting radius, see radius, hemisphere, these are all radius. Height of the hemisphere is 3.5. Subtract in 15.5, you are going to get cone height. If you know cone height and radius, you can find the slant height. Do square root, you are going to get 12.5 centimeter. After getting slant height, you need to find total surface area of a toy. Means CSA of a cone plus CSA of a hemisphere. CSA of a cone formula is pi RL plus 2 pi r square. Substitute, you are going to get 214.5 centimeter square. And another volume of the toy. Volume of the toy means volume of a cone plus volume of a hemisphere. That will be 243.8 centimeter cube. With this, I complete your answer key. SSLC children who have completed this question paper annual exam, hope for the best. I hope you might be getting 80 out of 80. And don't forget to share your result in this homeschool channel. Homeschool is waiting for your result. And other SSLC students, that means upcoming SSLC students who are watching this paper, wish you all good luck for your future, and all the content what you need for mathematics is available in homeschool channel. I wish you all a good luck by your Radhika ma'am from your homeschool.